Hi guys and girls, today we're factorising into single brackets, okay? And this is exactly like what we did last time with the numbers, except you'll notice that there's an r squared up the front of this one and an r in this one. Okay, so we're going to be looking for the extra thing of a letter factor, okay? A pronumeral that's in both terms. Okay, so our 6r squared is my first term. My 12r is my second term. Okay, and I'm looking for a letter and a numerical sort of factor, times table which has both numbers as an answer in both. Okay, so let's get started. Here I've got 6r squared and 12r. So my numerical factor in both is going to be r, because r squared has r times r, and 12r is just r. So r is a factor of both. Okay, now I also look for a times table. Now, they're both in my 1 times table. That doesn't work because it works for everything and is just pointless. They're both in my 2 times table. 2 threes are 6. 6 twos are 12. But let's keep on going because I think there might be a higher one. They're also both in my 3 times table. And because they're in my 2 and 3 times table, they're both in my 6 times tables. 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So that's the one I'm going to go with. So I put my 6 in front of my r. So 6r is a factor of both. Okay, then I draw my brackets like normal because I'm factorising and I want to chuck stuff back into the brackets. Then I look at my r. I've got r. I look at my rear term. 12r divided by 6r gives me 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2, and r divided by r is 1. How many r's in r? 1. So that goes away and cancels. And I'm left with 6r plus 2. Okay, if you want to be super thorough and really check your work, you can just quickly expand and go 6r times r, 6r squared, and 6r times 2, 12r. So that brings me back to the question. Okay, but your answer is 6r plus 2. That's that thing divided into brackets. Okay, that was factorising into single brackets. That's the procedure. Give it a go. If you've got any questions, just ask for help. Bye guys and girls.